Welcome to this video presentation. We are going to see how to use Miranda to simulate and program an Arduino card. So let's go to the library and open a model Arduino, Then we are going to program it firstly with Scratch. Okay, so let's do a simple program to make the pin number 13 blink. Okay, so with a loop I set the power to eye level, then weight block, then I set the power to the low level and weight again. Okay, so from here I can simply launch the program and see on the simulator the result. Okay, now if I want to program a real Arduino card from this Scratch program, simply from the Scratch editor I can click on here, then it's generate the C code. There is a C code, so I can copy and paste this code into the Arduino software, but Miranda also have a gateway that lets directly transfer this C code to a connected Arduino card, so it's much more easy. Only with one click you transfer the program on the card. So now let's have a look to the Python program with Arduino. Yes, it's true, you can with Miranda. It seems unbelievable, but we did it. You can program Arduino with Python and generate C code from Python directly from Miranda. I'm going to open a small example. So we are going to see how it works. Here is my Arduino card with a Python program. Let's have a look to the Arduino program. This is exactly the same that I did with Scratch. Well, it initialize the port to output mode and then sleep, and then put the pin 13 to true, wait again and put the pin 13 to false. Okay, so I can also simulate with Python, like you can see here, and I can also generate by a click the C program. Here it is, so the corresponding C program. It is also working with the Miranda gateway for the Arduino cards. It means that you can, if you like, copy and paste the C code, but also by one click transfer the program and run it on an Arduino card. Okay, thank you very much to have seen this video presentation.